Number 10. Morakniv consbull Fixed Blade Knife. Starting off the list is the Morakniv consbull Fixed Blade Knife, a tool that bushcrafters and survivalists absolutely love. This knife is built with high-quality Swedish stainless steel, giving it excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The blade measures just over 4 inches long and has a profile ground design, which means it's strong enough for tougher tasks, but still precise enough for detailed carving and camp work. One feature that really stands out is the 90-degree spine, which lets you strike sparks from a ferro rod to start a fire. The ergonomic rubberized handle provides a secure grip even in wet or cold conditions, making it reliable year-round in the wilderness. Whether you're building shelter, preparing firewood, or doing bushcraft tasks, this knife is designed to be a true all-around outdoor tool. Number 9. AquaQuest Hideaway Bivy Stealth. At number 9, we have a piece of gear that could literally save your life in bad weather. The AquaQuest Hideaway Bivy Stealth is a lightweight emergency bivy designed to protect you from rain, wind, and cold. Unlike cheap emergency blankets, this bivy is made with durable waterproof fabric that can withstand real outdoor conditions. It packs down incredibly small, which makes it perfect for bug-out bags, hiking packs, and emergency kits. And because it's designed in a stealth color, it blends into natural environments, something hunters, survivalists, and tactical campers appreciate. If you ever get caught overnight in the wild, a compact shelter like this can make a huge difference. Number 8. Uncharted Supply Company. The Vault Waterproof Duffel Bag. This is one of those pieces of gear that becomes essential once you start doing serious outdoor trips. The bag is built with heavy-duty waterproof materials and sealed construction to keep your gear protected from rain, mud, or river crossings. It's designed for rugged travel, whether you're camping, off-roading, kayaking, or building a bug-out kit. Inside, the bag has a large storage capacity so you can carry clothing, survival gear, or emergency supplies, and the durable construction means it can take serious abuse during outdoor adventures. Number 7. Coming in at number 7 is one of the most unique flashlights on this list. The Loop Gear SK05 Pro Flat LED flashlight features a compact, modern design, but still delivers serious brightness and multiple lighting modes including strobe and SOS. It's built with aircraft-grade aluminum, which makes it durable enough for outdoor use while still remaining lightweight. Another great feature is the IP67 waterproof rating, meaning it can handle rain, splashes, and rough conditions. When you're camping or dealing with a power outage, having a reliable light source like this can be incredibly important. Number 6. MEKKAPRO Emergency Survival Tent. At number 6, we have the MEKKAPRO Emergency Survival Tent. This is one of the most affordable yet surprisingly useful pieces of emergency gear you can carry. The tent is made from heat-reflective material that helps trap body heat, which can be critical in cold environments. It's designed to set up quickly using paracord and natural anchor points like trees. Because it packs down extremely small, it's perfect for emergency kits, hiking packs, or bug-out bags. When temperatures drop or weather turns bad, a simple shelter like this can dramatically increase your chances of staying warm and safe. Before we continue, comment below and let us know what products you want us to cover in our future videos. Also, give this video a thumbs up to help us with the YouTube algorithm. Be sure to subscribe to Men's Shopping Network if you haven't already done so to stay updated with our latest and greatest reviews. Number 5. Adventure Medical Kit Sportsman Series. Halfway through the list is the Adventure Medical Kit Sportsman First Aid Kit. This isn't your typical basic first aid kit. It's designed specifically for hunters, campers, and outdoor adventurers, with supplies organized for treating common wilderness injuries. Inside, you'll find items to treat: cuts, burns, blisters, sprains, and other outdoor emergencies. Everything is organized in labeled compartments so you can find what you need quickly when it matters most, because in a survival situation, medical gear can be just as important as tools or weapons. Number 4. Valtcan Titanium Canteen Mess Kit. At number 4, we have something that combines hydration and cooking into one smart system. This kit is made from lightweight titanium, which means it's incredibly strong while remaining easy to carry. The canteen stores water, while the included cup and lid allow you to boil water or cook meals over a fire. Titanium is also corrosion resistant and can handle high temperatures without warping. For survivalists and backpackers, gear that serves multiple purposes is always valuable, and this mess kit does exactly that. Number 3. TISUR, Titanium Emergency Whistle. Number 3 might look simple, but it's one of the smartest survival tools you can carry. The TISUR Titanium Emergency Whistle is designed to produce an extremely loud signal that can travel long distances. It's made from solid titanium, which means it's lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion. In a survival situation, a whistle is one of the best tools for signaling rescuers without exhausting yourself by shouting. And because it's small enough to attach to a keychain or backpack, there's really no reason not to carry one. Number 2. SOG XL Entrenching Tool. At number 2, we have a piece of gear used by military forces for decades. This is a folding shovel designed for survival and outdoor use. The tool features a tempered steel blade with saw teeth, allowing it to dig, chop roots, and cut small branches. It also collapses down into a compact size, making it easy to store in your backpack or vehicle. With a tool like this, you can dig fire pits, clear campsites, build shelters, or even create emergency trenches. For serious outdoor survival situations, a sturdy shovel like this can be incredibly useful. Number 1. Überleben FIREKIT Survival Fire Starter. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, this compact kit is designed to help you start fires in almost any environment. It typically includes a ferrocerium rod and striker, which can produce hot sparks capable of igniting tinder, even in wet conditions. Fire is one of the most critical elements of survival, providing warmth, cooking capability, and protection. And unlike matches or lighters, a ferro rod can work thousands of times without running out of fuel. That's why so many survival experts consider a fire starter like this an essential piece of wilderness gear. So those were 10 of the smartest survival tools you can find on Amazon right now. From ultra-durable knives and fire starters to compact shelters and multi-tools, these items can make a huge difference when you're spending time outdoors. If you want to check out any of these products, all the links are in the description below. And if you enjoy discovering awesome gear like this, make sure you stick around, because we've got a lot more survival gear videos coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.